Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be doing a kind of short video. I think this video will be kind of short, but it's going to be an unboxing of my sister's purse actually that she got for her 14th birthday. So today is April 13th. Her birthday was on the 8th, and our aunt bought her this Coach bag for her birthday. It's one that she really wanted. It's in the bag. It says Coach on the front, and it's, you know, one of the denim collection purses, but it's not denim like with the signature C print. I think that one was sold out. Before we get into this Coach bag unboxing, be sure to like and subscribe, comment how you like the purse, and be sure to check out and follow my Pinterest and my Instagram, which will be linked in the description and on screen. Now with that out of the way, let's get started. So taking the bag out of the plastic, my sister already took off the wrapping and stuff, but this is how the bag looks. This is like that denim material with the buckles, and it is silver, and it's like this like crescent shape, and then the back is plain, and it comes with this shoulder strap which is removable and a crossbody strap which is adjustable and removable. I think she would just want the shoulder strap, but it also comes with a crossbody in case you want that. You can see that the zipper, all the hardware is silver, and the zipper does say Coach New York. Then on this little flap part of like the zipper, there's the like horse and carriage. I don't think you can really see it, but yeah, so it's like a very detailed bag. And then of course every Coach bag has like the little tag on the side that says Coach. And yeah, so it's a very like cute, simple bag that should, like, you know, go with a lot of different outfits, especially if you're wearing jeans or like a jean jacket or stuff like that. So I have a ton of tags here. Some of them are plain, but here it says, so the color is silver and indigo. I mean, like, this is obviously like a dark denim. This is definitely not indigo. If you watch Sesame Street, you go by Roy G. Biv. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Indigo is like a purple blue, but leaning more into the blue. This is just blue. Like, this is in no way indigo, but they say indigo, but it's denim. So this is the denim Ashton bag. That's what it's called. And I think my aunt got it on sale for, I want to say $1.99. I'll check the website now. Let me see. Yep, it says it was $1.99, and it actually says that it's 50% off, so it was actually like $3.98 or something. So she got it when it was on sale. It's super cute, so I'm gonna start opening it now. So the pockets work like a belt, you know, so you just do this. Okay. This is what the pocket looks like. It's like, you know, it has paper and stuff in it. And then, oh, and it also has a like magnetic closure. So it can be a little tedious to open, but it does work. Like, it is a functional pocket. And then of course the other pocket is the same, and there is no back pocket. So then just going inside the purse, it is of course, you know, stuffed with the paper. I do see that there is a slip pocket, a small slip pocket on the side, and then there's no pocket on the front. So other than the pocket on the side, it's just like an open bag. But yeah, that's about it. Like, it's a pretty small bag. It's not like, of course, Nolita small, but this is like maybe a little bigger than a small bag. Like, I wouldn't say this is really a medium-sized bag. but it's cute. So this last thing I'm gonna show, just because she also got this and it's like a purse accessory. So my sister got this Jelly Cat keychain for her birthday as well, and it's just like this little like tannish rabbit. It's like a gray brown rabbit with silver hardware. So let me cut these tags off. This is just gonna go on the outside of the purse. Let's see, what side should it go on? This side or this side? We can do this side, I guess. But yeah, just like that. It's cute together. And then on your shoulder, that is what it would look like. And it's comfortable, it fits nice. It's like I'm getting 12 million commercials. So it fits nice, comfortable, very cute, stylish, and yeah, that's about it. I feel like I just like a lot of charms on my purses. I feel like you could decorate this more than just putting the Jelly Cat, but you know, it's not my purse. So that is the end of this unboxing video. It was pretty short, but you know, it got straight to the point. It is a very nice purse, very well made. It doesn't feel cheap at all. Once again, be sure to like and subscribe. Go check out my Instagram and Pinterest if you like purse things like this. I did do 2 what's in my purse videos as well, if you would like to see those. And with all that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!